Let's learn the alphabet. Letter A. A is for alligator. Letter B. B is for bear. Bear. Letter C. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for flamingo. Flamingo. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. H is for hippo. Hippo. I is for iguana. Iguana. J is for jaguar. Jaguar. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for narwhal. Narwhal. O is for owl. Owl. P is for penguin. Penguin. Q is for quail. Quail. R is for rhino. Rhino. S is for snake. Snake. T is for turtle. Turtle. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. V is for vulture. Vulture. W is for whale. Whale. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.